Hello, welcome to Gathering the Nations in Worship again. Today we're going to be learning the song Kadosh by Jonathan Settel. It's a very beautiful worship song, so let's get started. Kadosh, we're going to be starting off with the first step, Terkasiya. We're going to go forward, front, and back. Okay, so the way we do that, we're going to step forward and back. Do that again, forward and back. Okay, now we're going to show that in the back view. All right, so right foot forward, right, and back. Forward and back. Okay, so that is the Terkasiya. The next step after that will be a turn, going to your right. You're going to start off with your right foot. It's a 4-point turn, going to the right. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So the way we do it in this dance, in this case, what makes it more special is that we're actually covering our eyes when we're turning, because it is talking about holiness. So we're going to do that again with the hands. You're going to turn Terkasiya forward and back. Turn into your right. You're covering your face. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gonna do that again. Forward. And then turn right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Alright. So let's do that one more time. And then we will do the circle view of that. Those 2 steps. Okay? So forward. So you can see it. Back. Turn right. Hands in your face. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do that twice. Okay, so that one's that. Let's do that with the circle view. Okay, so we're going to go forward, Terkasiya. Forward. Okay, I'm just repeating it just for our reference, so you know how to do it. Okay, so that is the circle. So for this song, we'll be doing Terkasiya. You're gonna turn right. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second time, we're gonna do Terkasiya. We're doing the man. Front, side, back, side. Okay, so let's do that again. Forward. Turn right 4 steps. Terkasiya again. You do your mind to your left. Forward, side, back, side. Right? So now we're going to do the circle view. We're going forward in the center. Terkasiya. Turn to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Terkasiya. Do a mind to your left. Front, side, back, side. You're going to do that twice. Lead to the right. Turn right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. Back to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, after that step, we're going to move on to the next step. You're going to be doing what's called a David or a side to side. You're going to be going to your right. You're going to lift up your arms here. You're going to do 1, 2, and left 2. So your feet, what you're doing with your feet is you're going to step, open, close to the left, open, close. So let's do that again with the hands, and then we'll get the back view of that. Going to your right. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Do the back view of that. Going to the right. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here, we're going to turn to the right. So, right, left, right. Touch with your left, and then go back on your left. 2, 3, 4. Okay? So that is the the part after the Mayan. So let's do the circle group. So, Turkisia, Mayan, going to your right, and 1, 2, left, 2, turn right, right, left, right, left, right, left. Repeat that again. 1, 2, 1, 2, turn right, 1, 2, 3, touch, left, 2, 3, touch. Okay. The next part is going to be similar to the first part. Okay? I'm going to show you that going in the line again, and then we'll do it in a circle. So, this is what we start off with, the Turkisia. Okay? We're going to do Mayan. Mayan. This time we're going to hold the Mayan. Your hands come up, and then you're going to do another Mayan going to your right. Mayan. You're going to go up on your toes and down. Going to do that again. Forward. Turkisia. Go Mayan. You're going to hold and then do Mayan again to your right and hold. Alright, so let's get the back view of that. Okay. The Turkisia to forward, forward, back, front, side, back, hands up, touch your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, up on your toes and down. Again, one more time. Forward, Mayan, front, side, back, hands up. 1, 2, 3, up on your toes and down. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that in the circle. Forward. Go Turkisia. Forward. Mayan. Step right. Up. Left. And up. And down. Again. Mayan. 1, 2, 3. Up. Mayan to your right. Up. And down. So now I'm going to do the whole dance without the music so you can see what it looks like, and then we will do the music. Okay? So, forward Turkisia. Turn to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. Mayan to your left. And repeat that again. Turn to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, Turkisia again. Mayan to your left. Now we're going to do the David side to sides. 1, 2, 1, 2, turn right, right, left, right, touch, left, right, left. Repeat again. 1, 2, 1, 2, turn right, right, left, right, left, right, left. Here's the chorus. Turkisia, Mayan and hold. Mayan to your right. And up on your toes. Do that one more time. Turkisia, Mayan and hold. And Mayan to your right. And up. And now we'll go and do it again.
Kadosh, Kadosh, Tzevaot Adonai Elohim Tzevaot Kadosh Kadosh Adonai Elohim Tzevaot Adonai Elohim Tzevaot Asher Haya Ve'Hove Ve'Avot Asher Haya Ve'Hove Ve'Avot Kadosh Adonai Elohim Tzevaot Adonai Elohim Tzevaot Asher Haya Ve'Hove Ve'Avot Asher Haya Ve'Hove Ve'Avot Asher Haya Ve'Hove Ve'Avot Asher Haya Ve'Hove Kadosh, Kadosh, Kadosh.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.